welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to learn how to draw a pufferfish character. So go ahead and grab your pencils, paper, markers, drawing materials, and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our pufferfish character. The first thing we want to do is draw a really big circle, but we're going to leave the top of it open right here. So this is going to serve as the body of our pufferfish, and we're leaving this open because we are going to be adding a chef's hat to our pufferfish. I love some fun details like that, and especially when they're like fun accessories. I love it. So at the top here, we're going to create an inverted curve line. That means a curve that comes inward in our circle here. And then we're going to build our chef hat with two tiny diagonal lines, little fold details, and two more diagonal lines that go in the opposite direction. So we're going to come in, make little folds, and come back out. And chef's hats are really billowy at the top, so we're going to draw a big poofy shape here, like a really fun chef's hat. I'll add a couple details here. Couple lines here on this part. All right, now we will start crafting our fish face. We'll make two really large ovals for the eyes. One and two. Put little pupils inside of those eyeballs there. And a smile. Two eyebrows. And we're going to add a couple fins. And these fins are essentially triangle shapes. We're just going to curve our triangle a little more than normal. And add a couple detail lines here. And we'll do that same thing on the other side for the other fin. So another triangle shape that's slightly curved with some details here. We'll see the back fin swishing a little bit from behind our fish. And now we get to add one of my favorite parts of the pufferfish. It's little spikes. So these are just little triangles that come out in all different directions here. You want to kind of angle them in correspondence with the circle. So these are going to point this way, these ones are going to point downward, and then these ones on this side will point over here. So you can get a little bit of dimension like that. It's easy to go overboard, so you got to try to make yourself stop at some point. I love adding these. All right, we'll add a few circles on the exterior area here just to indicate that this pufferfish is hanging out in the water and stirring up some bubbles. All right, illustrators, there we have our puffer fish. The next step that we have to do is to add some color, yay! So go ahead and get your colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, the very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, great job on your pufferfish characters today. I hope that you all had a really, really great time drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!